I'm not afraid of AI replacing humans. I don't think that's going to happen. One, I don't think we'll allow it to happen. There'll be tons of industries for sure that you will look to employ an AI employee before you go look for a human employee.
Quickest examples of that spring to your mind of those industries?
Yeah, so I think anyone that is currently doing what I call in-out functions. So in-out functions is I take this information in, I reformat it in a way, and then I send it out over here. So a lot of admin heavy tasks will be completely run by AI. Basic coding will be run by AI. A lot of like planning and resource planning and project management in terms of the back end, just like crunching stuff, will be done by AI. I think research will be done by AI. All of those basic in-out functions that we're currently using brainpower for will be done by AI.